Number 10, we want to do a composition of function. We're given f and g of x, and we want to do f of g of x and g of f of x. So f of x is given x plus 2 divided by 2 minus x. G of x is given 2x minus 2. 1 plus x. And we want to do f of g of x. So start with the f equation. We have x plus 2 divided by 2 minus x. Okay. Right now, just leave it blank, and then I replace it with the g, 2x minus 2 over 1 plus x. Okay. Now this looks like a big mess. We have a fraction, and inside of that fraction we have a numerator, denominator. A couple processes that you can do. You can combine like terms and get a common denominator on the numerator and denominator. The same thing will work as if you just find the common denominator from the numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator there's a denominator of 1 plus x. In the denominator there's a denominator of 1 plus x. So that's the same. We can just multiply top and bottom by that 1 plus x. That always works. Now in doing so, we're doing the distributive property. 1 plus x is multiplying times this term and this term. Same thing on the bottom. The reason why we pick this is because it's going to multiply and react with the division and cancel out that fraction. So in doing so, multiplying this times this function gets rid of that, leaving me with 2x minus 2. And then when I multiply it times here, we got to distribute the 2. So that'll give me a positive 2. And then 2 times x plus 2x. On the bottom, distribute 2 times 1, 2. 2 times x, positive 2x. And then when you multiply it times this, it cancels out. Now this negative is going to distribute and change both signs. So it's going to be a minus 2x. Negative times a negative is going to be a plus 2. Alright. And then we're going to cancel out like terms. So minus 2 plus 2 cancels out. 2x gives me 4x. On the bottom, positive 2x and negative 2x cancel. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. 4 divided by 4 is x. Okay. So those two functions are inverses of each other as well. Get x. I'm going to get the same thing here, but let's again go through the process. So we're doing g of f of x. Starting with the g equation, that is going to be 2 times x minus 2 divided by 1 plus x. X is going to get replaced with the f equation. So x plus 2, 2 minus x. Alright, so again, numerator and denominator, I'm going to find the common denominator, which is going to be 2 minus x. So I'm going to multiply by 2 minus x on the top and the bottom. And times this term is going to cancel out the bottom. And then we'll distribute the 2. So 2x plus 4. And then distribute this times this one. So a negative 2 is getting distributed. Negative 2 times 2 minus 4. Negative 2 times a negative x plus 2x. On the bottom, distribute times 1. You'll just get the 2 minus x when you do that. Times this one, it cancels out and leaves me with x plus 2. Cancel out common terms, that would be the positive and negative 4. Positive and negative x on the bottom. 2x plus 2x. 4x. 2 plus 2. 4, same thing. Reduces to x.